Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. When you take your vlogs outdoors, you may record the annoying wind noise as well. In this video, we are going to talk about two practical ways. If you record the video with your iPhone, you might find iMovie is an easy solution. Tap the video on the timeline and select Detach. The video and audio are separated. Select the audio and delete it. An online solution can be a better alternative as it is accessible to any system. Search EaseUS Online Vocal Remover on the internet and locate the noise reducer panel. Choose the video from your gallery and the AI tool will do the rest. EaseUS Online Vocal Remover is a free vocal remover for audio and video of multiple formats, and it can split instruments, change the speed and pitch, and find the key of a song. Now, let's hear the vocal part. Back to the original line. You can hear the differences, right? That's all about the two ways to reduce the wind noise from video. If you like this video, please subscribe us. See you next time.